Hi, my name is Holly Olson, and this is my site, Strength Smiles. Strength Smiles is a website that is full of blogs that I have written on helping you to become yourself and why that is so important. Here on the homepage, I explain why I've written this blog. It's to help people realize they don't need to wear masks, that they can become who they truly are. They don't have to change for different people. On this part, further down on the homepage, you will see the latest 3 blogs that I have written. But I advise you to click on blog on the menu so you can read the blogs from the beginning. Because in here, I explain why I have started writing this blog. But as you can see, I have quite a few I've written, and I hope to write more. The reason I made an About page instead of a Contact Me page is because I want people to know that the purpose for this website is to help them to become themselves, not to hide behind masks, and for them to realize how important they are, because they are only able to do what they can do. I also made the store page, but again, because I'll show you my shop, I don't really have anything people can buy, because this is a website to help people become themselves, not for them to buy something. I found the hardest thing for me as I was making this website was, yes, we had wonderful tutorial videos to show us what we needed to do, but I had found that some of the websites had changed since those tutorial videos were made, so it took me longer to figure out and understand what I needed to do. I have enjoyed making this website, and I hope to continue adding blogs to it to help people realize how important they are. I hope you've enjoyed walking through my website of Strength Smiles.